Hello, everybody. My name is Taylor Perry with Van Dyke Mortgage, and we have with us Matt Collins with the Matt C team. And we wanted to talk about today when you make an offer on a house, the seller just accepts it, right?
Well, not always. So there may be little tidbits here and there that the seller doesn't necessarily care for. Any response to our offer is what's referred to as a counteroffer, right? So just because we submit an offer doesn't mean that the seller is automatically going to take what we're offering.
Even if it's a good offer.
Well, good, I think, is subject to opinion, right?
Sure.
What
Okay.
we feel is maybe our best foot forward, the seller maybe doesn't feel the same. And it's not always about price either. Sometimes it can be occupancy. Sometimes it can be some of those personal effects we ask.
Yeah.
So, for example, if we wanted to purchase the home and we wanted the new refrigerator to come with it, maybe the seller accepts all terms except the refrigerator, right? And so if they line item that back or they take something or make any changes to the offer that's made and send it back, it's referred to as a counteroffer. Now, it's also important to know those counteroffers expire, right? So just like when we submit our offer and we say, Mr. Seller, here's our offer, here's my best foot, you have until 5 o'clock tomorrow to let me know, yes or no. The seller, when they send it back, that also has an expiration. So it can be, here's my counteroffer, I give you until 8 p.m. that same day to get back to me, right? So those time frames typically shorten up quite a bit, but it expires just like anything else. So we need to keep our eyes open. And just because a seller sends something back doesn't mean it's automatically accepted.
True.
So as with everything in this industry, the details matter.
Yeah. Okay. Well, good deal. Well, thank you for answering that. I appreciate it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe below, and we'll see you on our next one.